I'm CISO of Owkin. I've been with the company 3 years. For anyone that doesn't know who or what Owkin is, we work in AI. We're on the fringes of biotech, bioscience, and a whole host of other items, all with the view of effectively trying to unlock various different things that can help us with drug discovery, improve patient outcomes. We have hundreds of agents. We use all sorts of different LLMs like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, a host of different things. Through our customer base, I need to be able to provide a metric to prove that we are compliant, we're safe, and we know what we're doing when it comes to AI. So we never had anything before that would give us a consolidated view. All the other tools that we looked at in the market were just like performance based, which is great, but when you're trying to kind of deal with the AI safety, the security component of it, vulnerability management, we needed just like one tool that ticked the box, and within 10 minutes we were finding stuff that we'd never seen before. Compliance was unlocked for us within this specific vertical that we're working in. It's very niche when it comes to AI compliance, and Geordie was able to satisfy a whole host of requirements externally. So in terms of the risks identified, we found this very early within the POC, which again is great for us. There were 3 critical CVEs, all undetected before Geordie. So an example of this would be MCP command injection. There was also credential leakage, and also a host of agents flagging confidential data. If we were to summarize what that total exposure would be, if we were to put a calculation, it would be between $12 and $13 million of exposure, which was avoided, relatively early within the POC. I think the biggest surprise was we were using more agents than expected, so that obviously has a cost in the bottom line when it comes to tokens and consumption. So for us, 327% more agents than we expected. For us right now, we're seeing things way in advance of what we did before, and then we're able to, again, holistically take a snapshot of that entire ecosystem and talk to people and have adult grown-up conversations about what's responsible and what's not responsible, and the expectations, whether that's from our insurance company, our partners that we work with, or education centres, or whether it's big pharma. We're able to quantify everything now. I think that the technology stands up for itself. I mean, if you're getting results within 10 minutes of plugging something in, the fact that it's been able to map out an entire ecosystem, that in itself is worth its weight in gold. And there's constant communication, and that's super important for me as a CISO, because I don't want to be chasing someone, I don't want to be kicking down doors, and that relationship just gets stronger each month. I mean, if you're getting results within 10 minutes of plugging something in, that's pretty impressive as far as I'm concerned.